for sale 1973 Dodge Challenger Rallye. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 73 Dodge Challenger Rallye, finished in red with black interior. It's powered by a 340 motor, automatic transmission, power front disc brakes, and bucket seats and console, of course. And as always, go around and tell you what I know about it. We will fire it up and then drive it. So we'll start here in the front, of course. The bumper in the front is really in nice condition. You see that, very shiny, no pitting on it. You see just a couple little marks right there on it, but the rest of it's super nice. About the worst mark on the car is right here. Looks like it was chipped and then just touched up, and I would say about the same thing there. The nice thing is that the alignment of the hood all the way down, that's super nice. The width in the distance to the fender to the hood on both sides, as well as how high the hood up is. It's very nice. A little mark right there that you see. It's a very nice quality paint, of course, red. I know you know that, and I know you can see that. Super nice. The motor's been rebuilt with mild cam in it and some other upgrades, so you'll see that when I get to it. You see a couple touch-ups right on the corner there. The rest of that, super nice. So let me go ahead and pop the hood. Give me 1 second here. Got to go inside on the 73. There you go. You see what I'm saying here? Original 340 motor. You see the nice red Mickey Thompson in the Mopar. I kind of liked it. It complements the red on the car very nicely. Ceramic headers, Edelbrock intake. It's a just rebuilt 750 Holley dual feed carburetor. You see the brake booster and the master cylinder for the power front disc brakes. And all this in here, this is all very nice condition. Firewall in the back, inner fender walls here as well. Very nice. You see a little stamping right there. Interesting, it was a very rare 4-speed car from the factory. I know it is an automatic transmission now. However, I do have the number matching transmission, the 4-speed that goes along with the car, as well as the pistol grip shifter for it. I have all the bell housing components, and the drive shaft and a bunch of other things in case you wanted to redo it, put it back in. I think that would be pretty cool. However, it's already set up with the automatic. I don't know, just something to think about. Under hood, nice condition, nicely painted as well. It's a little cold-blooded. It likes being warmed up. People do it like that sometimes. My mechanic says for racing, he likes that kind of stuff. Little mark right there. It looks to have, which is also very nice, it's original fenders, it's original quarters. All the floors from the front to the back, including the trunk pan, look to be original to the car, which is also very nice. So it was a restoration on a solid car to begin with. And as you know, Mopars, they do not like to be solid over time. I know you see the little bit of white, that's a little bit of buffing compound, but there's just like a couple little minute, like pencil size, not tized stone chips right there for whatever reason. Very solid in the lower, and you see that as I go. Just a couple little stone chips there from driving, and the thing's kicking up. It's got the correct Rallye stripes on it, which always look great. Little touch-up right there, another couple little marks right there. I just had a couple months ago a 72 Challenger Rallye. However, that was a top-of-the-line kind of a restoration, like a beautiful factory correct. That was very cool, which is why when I saw this, I said, oh, another Rallye. You don't get Challengers to begin with. So I was very excited. Little couple marks on the glass. Original, it looks like. Soft-tempered with the Mopar logo on there. Very nice metal in there, nicely finished as well. Your door panel, very nice condition. I know I keep saying that. Wood grain Looks great. All nice. I'll start here. Nice. And the door jamb. You got your trim there. You see a couple little chips down there, and it looks like just a couple bubbles in there. I mean, I'm sure that's going to happen over some point, but the fact that it has all the original panels is a very nice sign. Zooming out a little bit on the bucket seats here. There's a couple rips on the driver's seat. This is very nice. That seat doesn't have any rips. The carpet's nice. It's got custom Challenger mats on there. I thought I would just leave it. Normally I take them out. I thought they look cool. Here's your dash. Wood grain with the gauges. Tachometer. Here's your console with the automatic, which also has a pistol grip shifter on there, and I like that touch. That's pretty cool. Get up on the dash, you see the VIN in the corner. Looks very nice. Working dome light. Headliner looks nice. One little hole in the headliner there, but the rest of it looks great. Show you the back seats here. Zoom out. Back seat is also great. Just again, two little seams that are opened up there. You'll get a better look on the other side. All the windows go up and down as they should. Of course, it looks like it. It's very strong running. We'll go to the top of the car here. Oh, the VIN is in place where it should be. I think I mentioned that already. Again, a couple little, like baby little, I guess pencil-sized chips. You see a little crack in the paint right there, but this all looks very nice here. Nice line in the body. When you get back here, you see some more stone chips from the back tire, excuse me. And then just on the line, like the very lowest you can go, you see a few bubbles right there. Just on the bottom of me from here, you don't even see it. So you got to be like laying on the ground to notice that. I just, thought I'd share anyway. The rear bumper here, I would say pretty much close to the same condition as the front, so very nice. But you see just a little light fading right in that section there, but the rest of it super nice. And these are probably original, so you see a little bit of pitting on there, but that's a bumperette. I actually don't think the blue one I had that, so that could be an option, I believe. It's pretty interesting, actually. You see the dual exhaust tips on there. There's a bug. I know you see that. Get out of here. Let me go ahead and open the trunk here. It's finished with its trunk mat as well. And I thought I would just show you something here. The pistol grip shifter for it, which is pretty cool. Nice weather stripping in here. I would say nice finish in there as well that you see. Same deal for the under trunk lid. Again, matte, like I said. You see the original quarters in it, which is nice. I mean, well, up here, they're original, both sides. Fold the mat back and show you the trunk pan. There's the original trunk pan. They finished it with a little bit of black on it in the middle, right above where the gas tank is. See that there? All very nice, not patched and original, which is nice as well. See how it's painted back there as well. Closes nicely. That off the paint. There you go. And then right here you see a little mark right there that's been touched up. You see some stone chips down there, again from the back tire. And then right here, just some bubbles there, and a few in this section right there. Again, the rest of it going up is nice. To about here, where you see just the faintest couple in the door corner. But the door fitment's nice that you see there. Lines up at the top very nicely. Very nice. I mean, it's interesting. There's not really too many like big chips on the car. Just a couple that I pointed out so far. Okay, there we go. Going to this door jamb here. very nice. This door panel is very nice as well. I love the look of it. There you go. Love the way the dash and the gauges look as well as the console. I was thinking ahead of myself. Seat's great. Put my keys back in here. Even the seat backs look great. I know you see that. As well, just a bit. You see those two seams I mentioned, but overall the seat's very nice condition other than those. There's your headliner. Will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video if you want to check it out. Let us know. Keep going forward here. Very nice fitment to the fender there. And just, I guess the last bit, a couple bubbles right in the corner of the door. Always like the susceptible areas that you see it. And then just a few more stone chips down there. Very minor guys from the tires. We are getting to that part of the video now where I am going to fire it up and then drive it. I know you've seen pretty much the majority of that, except right here, little chip. And then you see just, not that, but the slightest little indent right there. So again, thank you for watching, and here we go. Reason the brake light wasn't working in the video, and I know you saw that, but it was when I was doing when we backed it on to where I take the picture. Here, you grab the key again and give me 1 second here. It was on the left side. Let's get this going here. Oh, look at that, there it is. Hey Jimmy, hit the brakes. Yep, there we go. See, that's what I get for sticking it in. And it's on. Oh, mistakes. We're all human.